Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar. Welcome to 19th January 2022 Bank Nifty market analysis. So, if we had viewed my 18th Jan Bank Nifty review media video, I predicted, I told clearly the market will close in negative side in 19th Jan. Exactly the same thing happened today. I'm not telling I can predict the market, but I can give the probability that the market will behave in a way based on the technical analysis I did yesterday. So I predicted that the market will close in the downtrend in the negative side. Exactly the same thing happened today. The market closed below 150 points. Then how it happened? It happened purely through technical analysis. You have to study the market. As I always say, you have to study the major resistance and support levels. You have to study the previous closing sessions. You have to mark the today's high and low points in the 50-minute session. You need to mark the major pivot levels, the major resistance and support levels in the intraday, and you need to understand the trend lines, right? All these things are very important. I'm not going to the open interest data, all these things where the option sellers are, but in which strike price more option sellers are there, whether it is in call option or put option. And we have a lot of other indicators like MACD, we have VWAP, so this VWAP cannot be used in Bank Nifty, and we have RSI, we have ADX. All these are like these trend, these indicators follow the market only, right? It will change according to the trend, right? But that kind of an indicator, right? But for you to get more understanding on the live market, you need to follow the CPR, the pivot levels, the major resistance and support levels of previous session. Those things are very important to check the things. So how I predicted the today's session is because there is a retracement happening, and I told that we have marked the line here on the chart. So first let me go to the days chart as usual what we do. Alright, so the day chart will clearly give the indication of the trend. So first always you need to go to the daily chart. You need to change the status here to daily. Let me hide the other indicators. Okay, so I told let me remove it. So I told these are the major so this range, right? So this range we already marked here, right? Where we have marked it. So this area we already marked. So this is some kind of the major resistance level, That's how the market is kind of a retracement happen. Then it will play in this range. There is a major resistance and major resistance level I already put. So in this range market will do a retracement and this will play in a range, in this range. So yesterday I marked some rectangle there and I shown you. That is exactly how the market is behaving now, right? Again it will go in downtrend another 2 3 sessions, then in market will go in the uptrend and it will cross the all-time high of 41,000 soon. And I believe after budget the market will again go uptrend, because we can expect some good reforms coming in the budget, so which will obviously will boost the market even with the elections in UP, with the BJP is getting the majority, so it will all boost, will give the strength and solidarity in the government, on the firm government, so that will all will help to boost the market. So this is exactly what we are expecting, is that the probability of whatever I told is happening is more than 65%. So I'm confident on that. Let me quickly switch to the 5 minutes daily chart. Let us closely watch and let us see the various opportunities we had in today's session. Okay. Okay. Uh, so let us zoom it and let us expand it for your clear view. If you have any doubt on the terms which I explained and how to do the technical analysis, please comment in the comment section. I can able to answer those things, and I request you to subscribe my channel and watch my all previous videos. You can go to the Mastering YouTube channel page and you can go through my previous videos where so you can refer whatever I told today and what I told yesterday. You can cross check my predictions and whether it is matching to my predictions. All these things you can cross check, so that you will get more confidence on my review, and you can that's how it will give me. Once you get the confidence on me, I believe you will subscribing channel, you will be liking my video, which will make me to give more insights. Apart from a daily analysis, I can give more inputs on the on other indicators and other on the technical analysis. I can give more simplest way, which will give you more insight to the analysis, how the market will behave and how we can get the volatility. So many things are there to understand. So before jumping into trading, you should first analysis that market. As usual, you can do paper trading. There are softwares which will help to do paper trading without losing your capital. So all these things you can try. So let us quickly go to this today's analysis without taking much time. Okay. So you can see the it is a gap down opening happened today. It's I think it's close to some 100 points, I believe it is. So I marked the 15 minutes high and low points here. You can see here. Then how the market behaved. You can see in the till 9:15. You can, as long as this candle this cross the days 50 minutes high, uh, um, you should wait for to do the retest. Again retest happened at here, this candle at 10:10. Then you got a big uh, green candle, right? So you should have ended at this point of time and you should target the CPR, so that pivot range, and this is the central pivot range. So should give target till here. So easily you should have got, if you entered here, should have got some 126. It is a good point to enter. So you can see a sudden reversal. So as soon as I think this wick is crossed the pivot range, the pivot level. So it is better to, it's already your risk reward ratio is met, right? So if you the risk reward ratio, so it is the it's a long position, right? So let me mark it here. Since I'm not using the mouse, I'm finding it very difficult to do. So next time I will be using the mouse for it to give better um, visibility on this risk reward ratio. Okay, so let me move this here. Then this is your the target, and this is your, so you should keep below this S1 level. So this risk reward ratio is 1.6 is a good. Okay, 1:1.5 should be your risk reward ratio. So that is a good point where you should enter. So my recommendation to my viewers is that should always plot the risk reward ratio, and once it is meeting 1.2, at that point of time you should exit. So you should have put the stop loss here and target here, then it is showing 1.5. As soon as this candle crosses that 1 point, that you are already the fixed, that the long position you have marked there, as soon as it crosses you should exit. That is the expectation you should have. You should not expect it to give more uh, results, right? Should always adhere to the stop loss, should always respect the stop loss, and you should always respect the target also. So once this red candle is formed, you should not, this is not good place to enter, and this should have ended once it is crossed here, and again retest happened, you should have entered here, but again a reversal happened. So you can see the trend line is which I drawn here. So you should always remember that in this kind of scenario where the trend line is formed, once you touch here and see a green candle coming up here, immediately you should exit, because this is already touched the trend line, and the indication is that market will go in reverse. Okay, then it kind of a consolidation happened here. There's a downtrend here, there's an uptrend here, and all these areas maybe you could have entered, like again it is kind of sideways happened, again it is crossed broken this support level, again you should have got some good points here, right? So the good point where you should have ended, right? Then this is also one more good point where market went up. So it's kind of I do not prefer to enter here, because in the retest, like if you can say it's a W, it is kind of a it's kind of a retest, should retest and go up. Again, you should wait for the retest, but as long as you saw that this candle is broken this support level, should not enter into the call option. And this is a good point for you to put option. Again, you should wait for this candle to go and retest here. Again, retest happened. Again, you should got a very good point here. And this trend line which I drawn here, as soon as it touches the trend line, always remember that market will reverse. So everything is written on this paper. You should wait for the retest. You should see the trend, whether it touches the trend line, then the retracement happen. Then it's kind of a sideways, and so I can say that the good points you should have. This is a one good session for you to enter call option buying. Um, this is, I don't say it's a good option, but as one it is did the retest here. This also some 100 points which might have ended, and here I don't see much movement for you to enter. And here also what happened, again the retest failed, retest is failed. So this is a good point for it to enter for put option, good and put short. That also will give you good points close to 200 points. And this also not a good position. Again the retest is failed, again market went down. Okay, this is a good option. Again here also the retest happened, again this point also good for you to have a trade. So I see some three sessions, three sessions for you to enter into call and put and call options, which will give you sufficient profits for today. So today's market, I see three good opportunities. For yesterday it was two. Today I see some three good opportunities for you to enter the market. So I think once if you have gone through all the videos which I posted, you will get a clear picture of what I'm saying, right? So if you see on the the banks, the HDFC closed in 10 points negative side. ICICI on the negative side. These are the major banks, Axis Bank and all is closed in positive side. So overall it is kind of a mixed things. That's why the market is closed at below 150 points. So what about tomorrow? That's the question, right, in your mind. So that's all you are expecting. So same thing, it will again retest the range. Again you should play in the range which I marked yesterday, the rectangle boss. Again tomorrow will be like a gap down only. Maybe you can expect a gap up opening. However, my prediction is that it's kind of a gap down only and market will close in the downtrend. Again the market will fall down. So that is my prediction. I may be right. The analysis says me that market will close in the downtrend tomorrow, because tomorrow is the expiry date. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry date. Okay, and tomorrow is a good time for that the retailers which have less capital to enter into the market and try for some 15 to 30 minutes trading sessions based on my inputs, because the premium will be very less. We can buy more lots and we can um, and you can prove the technical skill you have received into practicality and earn money from the market. All right, so that's all for today, guys. If you like my video, as usual, please subscribe my channel, please like the video, please share to all to your friends or colleagues in your forum, and just increase the viewers of this channel, so which will make me to put more and more videos apart from daily analysis. So once again, thank you guys for watching my channel. Have a good day, be safe, take care of your health, use sanitizer and N95 mask while going outside and interacting with people. Always keep some distance with each other, which will make your family safe, your parents safe, your kids and wife, everybody, spouse, everybody will be safe with that, and entirely the society and country will be safe from the corona. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening. Good night.